Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If your garage door sounds like this, you definitely need to lubricate your garage door, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to properly do it. The only two things you need to have is a cleaning cloth and a lubricant. Clean out the trucks. I'm using microfiber cleaning cloth. The trucks are what the garage door rollers ride on to open and close. You don't want to lubricate these, but you do want to make sure that they're completely cleaned out for your door to operate correctly. Wipe down the inside of both trucks and remove any dirt and debris. Because all of my rollers and hinges are very dirty, I want to clean all of the rollers and all of the hinges. And when you finish cleaning the hinges and rollers, do not forget to clean the springs. Spray each hinge as it meets the bend of the truck. It will make opening and closing the garage door much smoother. Use few sprays on each hinge. Your hinges should be covered in lubricant. If you have metal rollers like I do, lubricate the rollers. If you have nylon ones, you don't need to lubricate them. Lubricate the bearing plates. The lubricant I chose has two-way nozzle. It sprays either a stream or spray. And now I can lubricate springs much faster. Lubricate clevis pins. Then open and close your garage door a few times to spread the grease around. And now let's compare the sound of the garage door before and after lubrication. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.